Hello everyone, I'm Edinson and welcome back to ELT Cuisine, where you will learn how to cook some awesome Colombian dishes very easily. Because remember, we are newbies just like you.
To give you an idea, empanadas are definitely a typical Colombian food and are known internationally for their delicious flavor. They are basically a triangular shape made of a special dough filled with meats, vegetables, or even fruits, and you can find them both baked and fried. You can eat empanadas with sauces, guacamole, ají, among others. Wherever you go, you will easily find a place where someone sells empanadas. And of course, their feeling will be different depending on where you are. This type of food is so common in the population that it does not distinguish social classes. You will find it either in very humble neighborhoods or in the best restaurants and most elegant clubs of any city in Colombia. So for this recipe we will need the following ingredients: oil, 1 cup of potatoes peeled and diced, 1 cup of chopped tomatoes, 1 cup of chopped scallions, 1 cup of chopped bell peppers, garlic powder, salt, pepper, spice blend, chicken breast, 1 cup of pre-cooked white cornmeal. Now that we have all our ingredients ready, let's get started. First, we are going to make the filling. We need to cook our chicken breast in a pot with water. Meanwhile, what we are going to do is to heat up 2 tablespoons of oil. Make sure that it spreads around. What we are going to be cooking here is the cup of chopped scallions, tomatoes, and bell peppers. Now we are going to add some garlic powder. The idea here is that you chop everything into very small portions. So now we are going to add the potatoes, getting them combined with the vegetables. You can season with some salt and pepper. Finally, we add half of a cup of water, we cover the pan, and we are going to let this cook for about 15 minutes. Okay, while we cook our filling, let's make the dough. We are going to use pre-cooked cornmeal. We are going to add 1 cup of warm water. Next, we are going to add 1 teaspoon of oil. Then we are going to add a little spice blend and we add some garlic powder too. This will give color and flavor to our dough. Now we are going to use our hands. They must be clean, of course. And we are going to incorporate the mixture with them. So right, we have it now. We are going to set this aside for now. Now is the time to finish our filling. As you can see, our mixture is already mashable. And what we are going to do next is to add our chicken breast. For this, we have to crumble it into small pieces. To finish with our filling, we are going to mix our ingredients again. The next step is to heat up the oil for frying. We must let our oil heat up for about 10 minutes at mid-fire. While the oil is heating up, we are going to make our empanadas. For this, we are going to make balls with the dough. Remember that the size is up to you. Then we are going to flatten them, add a little of our filling and fold it in this way. We are going to remove the excess dough and shape our empanada with a cup. Or if you have a mold for empanadas, you can also use it. Now we are ready for our last step. Our oil is already very hot and ready to fry our empanadas. This process will only take between 3 and 4 minutes, and they will be ready. That's it, we did it!
Thank you so much for watching our video. We hope you have learned a lot. Follow us on our social media, please subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. And if you want to use this video as your English teaching material, don't forget to check on the description box the links to the lesson activities. See you then!